So today I'm going to review this sunshade from Joy Tutus. Comes in this box, shows CyberTruck as the preferred car for this. Let's cut open. Nice secure package. Wow, look at the cloth. This is the first time I'm opening this package, and that's the manufacturer, and that's how this umbrella thing opens. CyberTruck Windshield Sunshade. Looks legit. As I said, the material for the packaging is really awesome. It has the velvet, silky velvet kind of a texture. Let's try to install here. Nice bag. The material itself is pretty soft. It's not like it really feels like soft silk, and it's not soft silk. I know that it's not silk. So the way it works is that's what I figured out. Like you are sitting in the car, don't try to install it directly over there. Sit as if it's raining on you, and you're trying to open the umbrella, and you have to push that plastic sliding thing a little bit towards the top, and this thing starts spreading. So once you have the spread out, then you start pushing this umbrella towards the windscreen, and start positioning it so that it slides below the rear view mirror. You can align this with your windows and take it on the magnetic pad. This is going to hold it. Same thing applies here. Take it side, on the side, and that's how it goes. Then you do it. It's dark. There is a little bit of a notch which is bent, and you can take it on the side and put it on top of the screen. So that's how you will have this secured. I think it's covering pretty much the whole screen, other than few areas which I didn't install it fully right. I'll show you how it looks from the outside. If you see here, like, it's pretty much covering the whole area. I don't think so there is any spot left. Even has a nice coverage near the rear view mirror. Especially with this gray reflective surface, it's going to reflect all your sunlight away. And that was the notch which I was talking about. Like, if I have to take it out, I slide it out. This is very soft. It's not plastic. It feels very rubbery and squishy. This is very soft material, and this is the spring kind of it's a spring kind of a joint over here. Like, it bends easily and moves easily. Time will tell how much it will hold on, but looks like a solid product. So the removing is pretty much the same way. You take it out of your this notch, slide it out. Once you're out of this screen area, that's the main thing. You don't hit your screen. Make it straight and unfold the umbrella. I think you need to get used to it. But if you install this few times, I think it's a pretty neat concept. It's very tough to cover the whole screen of the Cybertruck. I think this is a good concept, very compact. You can easily slide on your trays. They have a nice soft cloth. You can slide down your umbrella and keep it over here. I think it's a good concept.